Welcome back to ClearSpot. Imagine knowing that a solar inverter is about to fail, days before it actually does, or catching a tiny wiring issue before it cuts your plant's efficiency in half. That's the power of predictive maintenance, driven by real-time sensor data and artificial intelligence. Today we'll explore how predictive maintenance transforms solar plant management, saving time, protecting equipment, and maximizing profits. In the past, maintenance in solar plants was reactive, meaning you'd fix something only after it failed. Later came preventive maintenance, where teams followed fixed schedules, inspections every 3 months, cleanings every week, regardless of actual need. But the future is smarter. Predictive maintenance uses sensor data to predict failures before they happen, so you act only when the data says it's necessary. That means less waste, fewer breakdowns, and more uptime. Predictive maintenance equals data, timing, and intelligence. Every second, solar plants generate not just electricity, but data. IoT sensors embedded across modules, junction boxes, and inverters continuously measure key parameters like voltage, current, resistance, and temperature. These small fluctuations, when analyzed over weeks or months, reveal powerful insights. A gradual rise in resistance might indicate corrosion or a loose connector. A voltage imbalance could suggest partial shading or a failing cell string. Sensors give operators eyes and ears into every part of their plant, from the largest inverter to the smallest diode. Let's take a real example. At a 50-megawatt solar plant in Karnataka, engineers noticed a gradual temperature rise in one array, about 2 degrees Celsius higher than others. Sensor data showed slightly higher current in one string. AI analytics flagged it as an anomaly. Upon inspection, they found a partially melted connector. It hadn't failed yet, but it would have within days. Replacing it in time prevented a full string outage and avoided a potential fire hazard. Our predictive alerts have saved us from at least 6 critical failures this year alone, translating to nearly $50,000 in avoided repair and downtime costs. Sensors generate thousands of data points per second. On their own, they're just numbers, but when AI algorithms process them, patterns emerge. AI identifies deviations from normal performance, sometimes so subtle a human would never notice. For example, if a panel's current output declines 1% faster than others under identical irradiance, the AI can predict when it'll drop below acceptable thresholds. Maintenance is then scheduled before the fault impacts production. AI doesn't react. It predicts. Machine learning models even learn from past failures, improving their accuracy over time. The more data you feed them, the smarter they get. Here's what a typical predictive workflow looks like. Sensors collect real-time voltage, current, and temperature data. The data is transmitted to the cloud. AI analyzes it, comparing it to baseline performance. When anomalies appear, it generates a predictive alert. The maintenance team receives the alert and acts at the perfect time. This seamless loop minimizes downtime while maximizing plant reliability. Instead of emergency repairs, you perform data-driven maintenance, smart, scheduled, and cost-effective. The benefits of predictive maintenance extend beyond avoiding failures. It also reduces operational costs by up to 30%, extends equipment lifespan, improves safety by catching electrical risks early, and boosts overall plant uptime and ROI. Think of it as insurance powered by data. You're not just maintaining your plant, you're optimizing its entire life cycle. In large portfolios, predictive maintenance becomes even more powerful. IoT connectivity and cloud computing let operators monitor multiple plants across regions from a single dashboard. If one inverter in Rajasthan shows similar degradation trends as another in Gujarat, the system can recommend preventive checks across both sites. Predictive algorithms don't just analyze, they compare and learn globally. Cloud plus AI equals global intelligence. Once an alert is confirmed, predictive systems can even recommend the best fix, from cleaning to part replacement, based on historical success rates. This level of precision means minimal human error, faster response times, and less disruption. Every decision, when to act, what to fix, how to prioritize, is backed by live data and years of system learning. Predictive maintenance isn't just about economics, it's about sustainability. Every avoided breakdown prevents resource waste, unnecessary travel, and production loss. In global terms, it means more clean energy generated per square meter. By minimizing downtime and maximizing yield, Kitsi-Sabrostein, Kitsansi-Wish Schubert Bexambein, in Zapridok. Predictive maintenance ensures that every ray of sunlight is converted efficiently into renewable energy, powering a greener planet. Predictive maintenance is the future of SolarO&M, a perfect blend of sensors, data, and intelligence. With it, solar plants move from reactive repair to proactive performance. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.